The difference between a Christian and a heathen are slight but distinguishable. Heathens acknowledge that mankind is prone to do good and evil, yet believe that there is enough good within them to overbalance that evil. On the other hand, a Christian knows that they are totally deprived of any good whatsoever, and only evil resides within. The Christian is aware that they need salvation. They acknowledge that they need repentance, they need forgiveness and mercy from God, to have God intercede for them in all matters of salvation. A Christian is aware that apart from God, they are helpless in sin, but with God, there is a definite hope of restoration. Faith is not just a conscious profession of belief. That is mere human reasoning. Faith that saves is a pardoning gift from God, given to whom He has seen fit to be justified in His faith. To have faith is to have trust in God, to have trust in God that He will save us from eternal death and damnation. Faith that saves is faith given by God Himself, not because we think and claim to have it. Faith of a Christian is trust, confidence, and assurance that what Jesus Christ did for humanity on the cross was enough for God to wipe away the penalty of sin that we inherited from Adam and Eve.